Hola mi gente, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be recreating a pink eyeliner glittery look. So if you want to see how it comes out or how to do it, then just keep on watching.
Okay, so first I will be starting by filling in my eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the shade Chocolate. I'll be using my Morphe R44 brush. Now I'm going to be cleaning up my brows with the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer in the shade Light Neutral, and I'll be using my Morphe Y21 brush. Now I'm just using my Morphe M335 brush to blend out the concealer for my eyebrow, and then I will be placing that same Tarte concealer onto my eyelid as a primer, and I will also be using the M335 brush to blend it out. Next, I will be taking the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the color Neon Pink, and I will be creating kind of like a winged liner with another line connecting from the wing liner onto my crease line. Next, I'll be going into the Huda Beauty, the new nude palette, into the color Crave with my Morphe M434 brush, and I'll be placing the shimmer onto my eyelid. Next, with my NYX Vinyl Liner in the color Black, I'll be placing a thin line onto where I will be placing my eyelashes so that they kind of blend in together. So first, I'll be curling my eyelashes with my MAC eyelash curler, and then I will be going into my Super Lash Avocado Mascara. Okay, and my lashes are on. So for my moisturizer, I'm going to be applying the Aveeno Clear Complexion Moisturizer. This is my all-time favorite moisturizer, and I will just be blending it in with my fingers. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the NARS foundation in the shade Stromboli, and I will be applying it with my Morphe R6 brush. For my concealer, I'll be going back into my Tarte Tape Shape in the shade Light Neutral, and I'll be going in with my Morphe M536 brush to blend it all in. So now I'll be going into my Airspun translucent powder with my Morphe M462, and I'll be applying it all over to set my face. So for contour, I'll be going to my Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour in the shade Cinnamon, and I'll be using my Morphe Y11 brush. Now to just set in the cream contour, I'll be going into my Hoola Benefit Natural Bronze Contour Powder, and I'll be using my Morphe Y1 brush. I also like to make my nose look a little bit, snatched. So I will also be contouring my nose with the Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'll be going in with my Morphe E25 brush to blend it all out. Going back into the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit, I'll be using the color Warm Coral as my blush, and I will be using my Morphe M104. For my highlight, I will be using the Laura Lee Loose highlight in the color Warm and Toasty, and I'll be using my Morphe M509 brush. Using that same highlight, I will be applying it underneath my eyebrow, and I'll be using my Morphe Y22 brush. Next, I'll be going to the Let's Do Makeup X Live Glam palette in the shade Kangaroo with my Morphe E24 brush, and I'll be placing this underneath my waterline. I'll now be going into the Huda Beauty The New Nude palette again, and I'll be using the shade Tickle with my Morphe M149 brush, and I'll just be blending this in with the color Kangaroo that I placed underneath my waterline. I'm now just applying mascara to my lower lashes. For lipstick, I'll be using the Let's Do Makeup X Live Glam Lippy in the shade Baby Girl. To finish off this look, I'll just be spraying my NYX finishing spray to set in all of my makeup.
Ya acabamos, mi gente. We are all done. This is the final look. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!